So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So we've just finished drilling our holes for all our components to go into. Still got this on top here. We're now going to put this in the oven, heat it up. It's going to get to 170 degrees Celsius. So because it's 170, we're going to need some safety gear, glasses and gloves, a pair of gloves which you get from Metalwork next door. Goes in there on the shelf, close the door, a couple of minutes. While that's heating up, I'll explain what we're going to do. We've got these bending jigs, a three-part system. So this first part here has two elements to it. We're going to line up the datum edge of our project against the edge here. We're then going to slip this in, push it down like so. It'll bend up. We're going to then fold it over, push it down, put this on the floor and stand on it until it's cool. Once it's cooled, acrylic will hold its shape. If we get it wrong, we put it back in the oven because acrylic has a memory. It's a memory plastic. So that if we bend it wrong, put it back in the oven, it'll go back to its original shape, which is flat or very close to it, so we can mold it. It'll take about 4 or 5 minutes for that to heat up. So instead of running the video for that long, I'm going to fast forward through, and you can join me again once this is heated up. See you in a minute.